Hi guys, my name is Marcela and today I want to show you 5 surprising tools that you may use for cleaning. And the first tool is a toothbrush. A toothbrush can clean pretty much everywhere in the house. All those little crevices where anything else will get into, a toothbrush will clean right into it. So it's a great idea and very handy to have a toothbrush in your cleaning kit. The second tool is a makeup brush. And yes, this is great for you to do your makeup, but it's also great to clean those little areas where a duster is too abrasive or too heavy for delicate items. So if you have something very delicate that you don't want to risk, use a makeup brush to clean around those little areas. The third tool is a lint roller, and this lint roller is great for your clothes, especially if you have pets and you don't want to have like all of the fur on your clothes. So this is great, but it's also great to clean the pillowcases from your bed, the duvet cover so it looks like nice and super straight, and also lampshades. The fourth tool is a painter spatula, and this is great for contractors and painters when they're doing their job. But this is also great to scrape little things that you cannot take out with anything, like piece of tape on the walls or that kind of stuff. So to have this in your cleaning kit, it's a great idea. And the fifth tool that might be very surprising is Q-tips. These little things are great, of course, to clean your ears and maybe to touch up your makeup when you make a mistake around your eyes, things like that. But you can also use it for cleaning around your house, especially if you have a shower with a glass door. And if you look at the end, at the bottom of the glass door, they will usually have a silicone that is curved. And inside that silicone, nothing and absolutely nothing will go inside and clean it, except if you use a Q-tip. This is great for those little areas. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. And my question for you today is if you have any surprising tool that you use to clean around your house, something that is not specifically designed for cleaning, like the ones that I just showed you, but you use it to clean your house because it works just fine. We would love to hear from you and learn from you, so please leave it in the comments down below. If you liked this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends. And I will see you very soon with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.